Hi guys, from Barbara. Next week it will be Valentine's Day. So I'm here to show you 3 super easy recipes to make desserts that are ketogenic, romantic and also a little bit aphrodisiac. I hope you will like them. The many of you that follow my life on Instagram already know that I just came back from beautiful and sunny Florida, from the States. So I will show you after this recipe that is made at home in Stockholm, a little bit of Miami, a place that I visited with my Valentines, my husband. So I hope you will like both the 3 recipes and the touristic tour of Miami. These are the few ingredients that we will need for our 3 low-carb, high-fat desserts. Heavy cream, this is half a liter, blackberries, raspberries, granulated hazelnuts, strawberries, 1 lemon, dark chocolate and stevia drops. But don't worry if you don't remember them, because I will write all the ingredients in the description below, as usual. Let's start by whipping our heavy cream, and I highly recommend to use an electric mixer because I did it once by hand and it's really hard. For our first dessert, that is also the easiest, we will just need 2 bowls with some whipped cream and berries. On a ketogenic diet, we can eat just a few fruits because sugar must always be very low, and berries are a great option, but always in limited quantities. I'm going to prepare skewers with blackberries and raspberries. That is great with our whipped cream. I choose this kind of berries because they contain about 5% of carbs. That is very low. I cannot tell you the exact amount because there are some little differences depending on the fruit that you are using and on the level of maturation. But blackberries and raspberries are definitely the lowest in sugar among the common berries that we can find at the supermarket. Look how cute and easy to prepare is this keto treat. I also think that it can be fun to eat if you are enjoying the dinner with a sexy partner, but of course this is completely up to you. Remember to keep an eye on your macros, but probably 6 berries per person is more than safe, so just have a great evening. I've just decided to add some mint leaves as decoration, and we are now ready to start preparing our second dessert by putting some of our whipped cream on our pink plates. This time I'm going to use strawberries because even if they have 6% carbs, so a little more, they are still keto approved, and I will share a tip that will help you to eat just a few of them. These are very big strawberries, so we decided to eat only 2 of them per person. But a plate with 2 strawberries can look very sad and lonely, so here is my tip. If you cut them in this way, even 1 single strawberry will look perfect. In this case, we used 2 because we've been on keto for more than 5 years and our metabolism is able to handle them very well. But if you just started, 1 strawberry will be better. Our strawberries, cut like a folding fan, already look amazing, but just before serving I will add some toppings that will make this dish even more special, but always keto and romantic. But now it's time for our third sweet treat that is also my favorite. Let's start by cutting the ingredient that makes a huge difference and takes this dessert to the next level, the lemon. Adding its fresh juice to our whipped cream is an easy way to prepare a ketogenic deliciousness, and with a few stevia drops it will be amazing. Take 2 bowls with a big diameter but low sides, so you can put a layer of our lemon cream and also be creative with your berries. My husband likes the color blue, so that's for him. Now some raspberries put in the shape of an heart, and our low-carb, high-fat romantic dish is ready. But it's time to talk a little bit about berries on keto diet. As I told you before, raspberries and blackberries have 5% carbs, strawberry 6%, but blueberries 12%. So choose wisely and don't overeat them. I decided to add some mint leaves to this dessert too, just for decoration and because they match perfectly both with the lemon and with the berries, but it's an extra touch that is not necessary, so you can decide if you want to add them or if you don't. Don't forget the toppings on our second keto treat. I decided to grate some dark chocolate on our strawberries and to sprinkle some chopped hazelnuts on the whipped cream. These are both ketogenic ingredients that you can use as toppings on many desserts. Everything is ready. Now we have number 1, whipped cream with raspberries and blackberries skewers. Number 2, whipped cream with hazelnuts and strawberries with dark chocolate. Number 3, lemon cream with raspberries. For such a special dinner, you could prepare little portions of these 3 desserts or choose your favorite. I really hope you like today's easy recipes and you will consider subscribing to my channel. See you here with a ketogenic video in English every Monday, but also with the same video in Spanish on Wednesday and in Italian on Friday. Thank you to all my subscribers, to all the people that are visiting my channel, and to all of you that are putting likes, comments below and are keeping in touch. Okay, thank you all! It's time for our walk in beautiful and sunny Miami, and I'd love to bring you with me to visit the Art District, known, as you can already see, for its many and colorful murals. Wynwood Walls, where are we now, is an outdoor museum of street art, and it's truly amazing. Also, the surrounding streets are very artistic, full of color and young creative people, so you can find art galleries, chic boutiques and specialty coffee shops. If you have the opportunity to go to Florida, don't miss this special place. See you next Monday with another ketogenic recipe, but also with another walk, and I will bring you to the beach. I promise that it's a spectacular and sunny place.